Big vibe today, we're cooking with pork skin. We're making meatball, we're gonna stuff it in the pork skin, and we're gonna create a vibe. So, big vibe today, hit that like button. Crazy Chef, big vibe with the pork skin. Tune in for the video, tune in for the vibe. Let's get into it. Smash that like button. So, you've seen I add all my ingredients. So what I'm doing now is I'm just mixing all my ingredients together. So as I said, big vibe today. Big vibe today. And I want to thank everyone who support the channel. I want to big up all the subscribers. I haven't big up the subscribers in a while. I want to take this opportunity to big up my subscribers. So as I said, big vibe today. I'm going to take this meat and I'm going to stuff it in pork skin. So if you want to see what I'm doing with this meat, stick around to the end of the video. If you appreciate the channel, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. I'm going to leave a link, a detailed link, so to say, with the ingredients in the description below. So if you want to try this bizarre food vibe, that's what we're doing today. Today we're doing some weird stuff, but guarantee you we've checked the recipe, we've tested the recipe, and it's a vibe. So as I said, smash that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. Crazy Chef, you love the vibe. So I guess my meat's all mixed in. What I did is I took ground beef, I took 75% and I put 90%. I mixed those together. Then I took lean ground pork and we mixed those together. Some shallots, some garlic, some onions, and you know me, I can't leave out that green onion. Some thymes in there. I had some pimento in there, otherwise called allspice. So if you're from the Caribbean, you know what I'm talking. I got some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika, some Italian spice. Yeah, we're mixing it up. So mix all that together and the vibe is coming. So as I said, stay tuned for the video, stay tuned for the vibe. So now you've seen the video, the vibe is coming. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you've never seen what pork skin looks like, this is it. That's your pork skin. So this was on a live pig. So that's what the pork skin looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I take my pork skin and I stuff it like that in my baking mold, right? So then I'm gonna take my meat and I'm gonna put it in there like that. Stuff it in there. So as I said, it's weird, but it's gonna be good. Don't judge me. As I said, it's weird, it's gonna be good. And we didn't use a lot of oil or a lot of fat, because what's gonna happen is the pork skin gonna give you that fat. Then I'm gonna fold it over like that. Just like that. So, as I said, it's weird, but it's gonna be good. So, if you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. Crazy Chef, always big vibe. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on our baking sheet and we're gonna flip it over like that. Just like that. And now we're gonna put it in our oven and we're gonna bake, and we'll show you the finished product. So as I said, if you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. If you haven't hit that red subscribe button, look at that. Why wouldn't you subscribe to the vibe? Big vibe, Crazy Chef, and Meatloaf Wrapped for 5 hours. Let's see what happened. So let me just take my top off and look at that. Voila. Look how beautiful that looks. So that's my meatloaf, stuffed in pork skin. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut into it so you can see what's going on in there. Look at the inside. See all that oil? I took some of the oil out while it was cooking, but that's it. That's what it looks like. Let's cut into it, see what happened. All right, so now I'm gonna cut into it. Oh, cut's pretty nice. Nice, tender. It's a little crispy, some parts of it. Crispy is good. And let's check out our meatloaf. Look at that. It's pretty solid. Nice meatloaf. Look at that. It's pretty good. Crispy on the bottom. Nice. Nice, beautiful. As I said, weird, but it's gonna be good. Look how juicy that is. Look at that. See that? That's awesome. That's good meatloaf right there. So as I said, I think this is a major vibe. Look at that. Look how good that looks. You can see the peppers, you can see the seasoning. Look at that pork fat. Like, that is just good. That's good stuff. So, big vibe, crazy chef. Big vibe. Huge vibe. So, as I said, hit that like button if you haven't hit that like button yet. Hit that red subscribe button if it's your first time here. Huge vibe.